Okay, we're going to go through the settings, the basic setup settings for the new Brink air controller. This works with the relevant Excellent series and all the Sky machines. First of all, we're going to set the time and the date. So if we press the button here, it'll give you the menu, device information, basic settings. Basic settings will allow you to set the time on the clock. So go into the clock, you can set the time to whatever, two hours. Press to go on to minutes, set the minutes, seconds, press return. There's the time set. Okay. After that, then we need the date. Again, same thing. Press the button, change the date to whatever you want it. Press to go on to the month. Press again to go on to the year, and back. You can also adjust the daylight backlight setting up or down on the machine from there if we want. And back. From there, we're going to set the HRU appliance. So we can go into the device settings. Takes them a minute to load. In here we can change the fan speeds, fan speed 0, fan speed 1, fan speed 2, and fan speed 3. So we can configure fan speed 1 anywhere from its default is 100. We can go down, or we can go up. We must remember, if we're going to change it, press the button. That's it now, saved. So if I go back into that, it's saved. Okay, so we can change 2. The default is normally 200. 3, default is nearly 300. Again, we can go up or down that. So our bypass temperature. This temperature is only applicable on the automatic mode. So we can change this. Default is 22. You know, for the summer we may want to drop that down to 17, 16, 15. 15 is as low as it'll go. Or we may want it warmer. Again, if it's flashing, you need to press the button to confirm that. So if we go back into it, we've already changed it to 15.5. Next setting, operation bypass valve. If we click on this, we have the auto, which we've just gone through the temperatures that the auto works on. We can close the summer bypass. So if we press this, we close the bypass valve, which means we have no bypass. All the heat from the house has to go through the heat exchanger at this. So this will be more winter mode, or where we don't ever want to lose heat from the house. Open, we can open this. This means all the heat coming out of the house, none of it goes through the heat exchanger, so the air coming in will always be at ambient air temperature. So there's no heat recovery happening at this. Okay. And then the other setting that we kind of use mostly here is the relative humidity. So if you have a relative humidity sensor fitted to your machine, it has to be activated. Default it's off, so if it's fitted, we click on. If there isn't one fitted, it'll come up with a fault. Relative humidity sensor, you can change, default is 0, so you can change that from less sensitive, more sensitive, default setting, more sensitive, maximum sensitivity. Okay, default is 0. That's it.